Hello student, JEE Main 2025 question. If for theta lies between minus pi by 2 to 0, the point x comma y is equal to 3 tan theta plus pi by 3 comma 2 tan theta plus pi by 6 lie on the equation thus xy plus alpha x plus beta y plus gamma is equal to 0. Then find the value of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Now this, first of all, this is a point given x comma y means x is equal to 3 tan theta plus pi by 3 and y is equal to given 2 tan theta plus pi by 6. Now theta plus pi by 6 consider t is equal to consider theta plus pi by 6. Now this x you can written as x is equal to 3 into 10 theta plus pi by 6 plus pi by 6. Therefore this is theta plus pi by 6. Now t means x is equal to 3 10 t plus pi by 6 and this value y is equal to 2t 210t. Why? Because theta plus pi by 6 is t put and y is equal to 210t. Now here apply tan alpha plus beta formula means x is equal to t 3 into tan t plus there's a tan pi by 6 divided by there's a 1 minus tan t into tan pi by 6. Tan alpha plus beta means tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta and y is equal to 210t already here. Now the 10 pi by 6 means 1 upon root 3. X is equal to 3 into 10t plus this is a 1 upon root 3 divided by this is a 1 minus 10t into 1 upon root 3. Now y is equal to 210t, right, as it is. Now root 3 is LCM. Take LCM here. X is equal to 3 into this is a 10 root 3 10t plus 1 upon same here root 3 is LCM means root 3 minus 10t and 1 upon root 3 here also 1 upon root 3 cancel out. Now y is equal to 210t, right, as it is. Now 10t consider u, let 10t is equal to u. Therefore this x is equal to 3 into this is a root 3u plus 1 divided by root 3 minus u and y is equal to 2u. Y is equal to 2u, then u is equal to y by 2. Put u is equal to y by 2 in this equation means cross multiply first means x into root 3 minus u is equal to 3 into root 3u plus 1. Now put u is equal to y by 2. For x into root 3 minus y by 2 is equal to 3 into root 3. 3 multiply direct first 3 into root 3 y by 2 plus 1 y by 2 plus 3 3 multiply then. Now both the side 2 is LCM. X multiply means x into root 3 into 2 this 2 is LCM minus y xy sorry yx x into y this is equal to 3 root 3 into y plus 6 2 is LCM both the side 1 upon 2 cancel out. Now in the equation this equation xy is positive means here require xy positive but here negative means this part move to this side right hand side. Therefore this is xy, then write this part this is a 2 root 3x plus this is a minus sign minus 2 root 3x then plus root 3 root 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now compare with this equation xy plus alpha x plus beta y plus gamma is equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with this xy plus alpha x plus beta y plus gamma is equal to 0. Then alpha is equal to minus 2 root 3, beta is equal to 3 root 3 and gamma is equal to 6. Now require alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. This is equal to minus 2 root 3 square plus 3 root 3 square plus 6 square. Now this is equal to minus 2 root 3 square means 2 square means 4, minus 1 square is 1, into this root 3 square means 3, plus 3 square is 9, root 3 square means 3, plus 6 square means 36. Now this is equal to is a 12, 9 into 3 means 27, plus 36. 12 plus 27 39, 39 plus 36 75, means option number is the correct one.